Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class today. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe with your family. Today we will discuss a new topic. I think you can guess. Yes. Take your EFG book, English for today, for class 5 students. Today we will discuss Unit 2, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. The name of the topic, See You. In this topic, we see here a conversation. We get a conversation between Andy and Tomal. Before going to the conversation, we will introduce new words of this topic. Okay guys, take your exercise book and see the new words. The first one, book fair. Book fair means it is a fair where books are bought and sold. It is a fair where books are bought and sold. Meet. Meet means to make personal contact. To make personal contact. Introduce. Introduce means to make something or someone known formally. Introduce. To make something or someone known formally. Colleague. Colleague means a co-worker or a workmate. A co-worker or a workmate. Expression. Expression means the action of making one's thoughts or feelings known. The action of making one's thoughts or feeling known. Okay dear, you must write down these words and you must practice this. It will help you to understand the topic. Now, we will go to the topic. Please open your EFT book. Unit 2, Lesson 1, 2, then 3, 4. Andy. Hello Tomal, how are you? Tomal. Hello Andy, I'm fine, thanks. And you? Andy. Fine, thanks. Listen, I'm going to the book fair. Would you like to come? Tomal. I'm sorry, I can't right now. I have to take this medicine to my grandmother. But I can meet you in an hour. Andy. Okay, great. I'll see you at the book fair. Tomal. Right. See you later. Bye. Andy. See you. Now dear, we'll go to the page number 7, lesson 3-4. Here we also see a conversation between Andy and Tomal. Andy. Hello Tomal, how is your grandmother? Tomal. Hi, she's fine, thanks. Andy. Come, let me introduce my colleagues. Hi everybody, this is Tomal. And Tomal, meet Mr. Shah and Mrs. Haidar. And this is Mrs. Smith. She is a new English teacher here. Mrs. Smith. Hello Tomal, nice to meet you. Tomal. Hello everybody, nice meeting you too. Dear learners, we complete this conversation. You must practice this conversation again and again. This will help you to clear your pronunciation. You must practice this conversation with your family members or with your friends. Now, we'll go to the activity B. Ask and answer the questions. The first one. Where is Andy going? Where is Andy going? Where is Andy going? Andy is going to the book fair. Andy is going to the book fair. Where is Tamal going? Why? Where is Tamal going and why? You know, Tamal is going to his grandmother to give her medicine. Tamal is going to his grandmother to give her medicine. When can Tamal meet Andy? When can Tamal meet Andy? Tamal can meet Andy in an hour. Tamal can meet Andy in an hour. How does Andy say goodbye to Tamal? How does Andy say goodbye to Tamal? By saying see you. Andy says goodbye to Tamal by saying see you. Andy says goodbye to Tamal. Dear learners, today we finish our lesson here. You must learn it again and again. In our next class, we must discuss another one. That means a new topic. See you later. I hope you good and fine. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.